G'day, this is Dusty from Davcron. This video is a short demonstration on the new washout feature that we've developed. This feature was developed to assist the drivers in keeping the barrels clean. Once it's activated, the idle will go up on the engine and the barrel will go into a mix then discharge cycle. After it's finished its 2-minute clean, the barrel will stop and the engine will drop back down. I'll demonstrate this now. By simply pressing the mix and discharge buttons together, then pressing go, the engine will rev up. The barrel will start in a mix, go into a discharge, and then gently change direction. This will continue for 2 minutes to simulate what it will look like when it finishes its cycle. I simply press the stop button. Hope you like the video.